Hello, my name is Mateo Davila. I'm going to talk about my Disney trip. My Disney experience. One of my most favorite memories is my Disney trip. I went to Orlando with my family on December 2015 and I was 6 years old. Even though I was really young, I still remember every single attraction went on. My favorite park was definitely Magic Kingdom. It was full of adventures and exciting shows, and there was so many things to do and see as well. In Magic Kingdom, I see all Disney characters like Bruce, Woody, Mickey Mouse, Goofy, and more. I even got to eat lunch with Peter Pan. Disney food. While at Disney, we ate so many delicious food and treats, such as hot dogs, funnel cakes, cotton candy, chocolate, milkshakes, and others. The rides. As you know, in Disney World, there are plenty of rides. The ride I loved the most was Space Mountain, which is an inside roller coaster in the dark and you can see the planets on many stars. I also rode Splash Mountain. This one was very fun and I ended up all wet because it's a water roller coaster. I went inside the terror house and I was really scared. But at the end of enjoying it, the laser light shows was one of the most beautiful and creative things I had ever seen. It was full of lights, lasers, and fireworks, and many Disney characters participated in it. That was my trip. Thanks. Bye.